Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Settings app and going straight to the screensaver controls. Press Windows key plus I, type lock screen, and select Screensaver settings. Once there, you can see current screensaver, wait time, and whether on resume, display logon screen is checked. Make sure you have administrator rights if corporate policy locks this panel. If not, contact IT. This step prepares the exact dialog where you pick Preview and configure the screensaver, so you're in the right place to act. Now you choose which screensaver you want and why. Use photos for slideshows, 3D text for branding, or blank to conserve power. Once you pick from the drop-down, click Settings to adjust specifics, folder path for photos, text and font for 3D text, or speed for ribbons, because the Settings button tailors behavior. Then set the wait time in minutes. This controls how long idle the PC must be before activation. Finally, hit Preview to confirm the look, and tune options until it matches your intent. To finish, click Apply then OK so your selection sticks. This writes the preference to your user profile. Test immediately with Preview, or wait the set number of minutes to confirm activation. Make sure your power plan doesn't put the PC to sleep first. If the screensaver won't run, check Group Policy Editor if you're on a managed device, or update the display driver because graphics issues can prevent activation. If problems persist, reboot and recheck settings. This often resolves leftover state or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.